Our love is dead but without limit, like the surface of the moon, or the land between here and the mountains. Well, it is not these hiding places that have kept us innocent, but the way you taught me to just let it all go by. And so we've learned to be as faithless, stand behind bulletproof glass, exchanging our affections through a drawer. And it was always horribly convenient and happening too fast. You should count your
I got my cleanest shit above it.
even out the door. Well, yes, you should, but please return to the person that you were, and I will do the same. 'Cause it's too hard to belong to someone who is gone. My compass spins, the wilderness remains. Well, once too often I've retreated into the depths of